Hello everyone, hope all of you are fine. Today I am going to continue the part which I left in my previous lecture. Yes, in this lecture I am going to show you how molecules should be drawn. For drawing an organic molecule, you should be realistic and scientific. You should be economical. You should be very clear. And you don't need to be Pablo Picasso to draw organic molecules. Let's move on to discuss the points one by one. Listen very carefully and try to learn. So, the first point is you need to be realistic and scientific. To emphasize what it really means, here I have shown you structure of oleic acid. It is a monosaturated fatty acid which has the formula C18H34O2. Hope you know 3 fatty acid molecules and 1 glycerol molecule combine to form the fats that store energy in our bodies and use to construct the membranes around our cells. See the structural feature of oleic acid. In the middle of this long chain, you can see a double bond. Arrangement of groups around this double bond can lead to formation of different isomers, but for the time instance, we will not consider this. Our main aim is to represent the molecule on a paper. You can see this is one representation, but the question is it realistic? Is it scientific? Let's find. The X-ray structure of oleic acid is given here. You can see very well that the chain here is not at all linear. It is arranged in zigzag fashion. And observe very carefully the double bond in the middle. The angle is 120 degree and in other parts the angle is 109 degree, which is the normal tetrahedral angle. So that representation will be realistic, which will be a projection of this 3D structure onto the flat paper, and it is shown here. Okay, so the first guideline is draw chains of atoms as zigzags. The second point was you need to be economical. To elaborate this point, I have come up with an idea. As you can see, 3 pictures are here. The man on the first image is one of my closest friends. The second image is also his, but it is from a different angle. And the third one is a portrait of him drawn by me. See, I am not a professional painter, but people who knows my friend easily recognized the portrait. So my point here is that to draw organic molecules, you don't need to be a great painter. You need to be economical. And the other fact is that visualizing the molecule from a suitable angle is also important. In this way, the structural characteristics of the molecule are explored very well. So, after application of second guideline, the structure of oleic acid is just like that. You can see I have drawn no hydrogens. Except that hydrogen, only one hydrogen is there, which is attached with the oxygen. Okay. So, the second guideline is miss out the hydrogens attached to carbon atoms along with the CH bonds. Only show those hydrogens which are attached with atoms other than carbon. The last point is you need to be very clear. Here, structures of some amino acids are drawn. You can see no hydrogens are there except those which are attached with atoms other than carbon. And you can also see I have missed out all the carbons, as writing carbon for n number of times is very annoying and equally time consuming. Okay, you can see here I have drawn the structure of leucine, histidine, proline, aspartic acid and lysine. One important point I need to say here is that proline, you see proline is an amino acid, right? NH group is there, no NH2 is there. Okay, so the last guideline is miss out the capital carbon representing carbon atoms unless there is a good reason not to. Okay, that's it. Today I just tried to show you the methods to draw organic molecules. In the next lecture I will show how organic structures can be drawn in different manners. I will also show how the three-dimensional feature is shown on a 2D plane like paper, blackboard, etc. Hope you like my way of presentation. See you in the next video. Thank you.